So guys, I'm finally recording. I won't be able to play Forsaken because of my mom. So yeah, let's get started. I don't even know what to play. Sorry if my Wi-Fi is bad. So this looks kind of funny. Should I? Yeah, I should. It's funny. Funny. Looks funny. Spray pool Audie. Wait, I'm gonna part of the monkey. Come on. Yes. Alright, I'm leaving. I'm gonna get to the end. Well, maybe not the end. I'm so fast. Is this purple Homer? What in the? He just killed me. So. In a little bit, we'll just play a different game. Okay, maybe I suck. Hey! Oh my god. Now, this game is kind of boring. I'm gonna play you versus Homer. Hold up, let me draw something. 6, 7, 6, 7, 6, 7, 6, 7. I don't even have it. That's funny. You versus Homer. Alright, time to load. I'm sorry if it takes a while. Okay, guys? Cause my Wi-Fi is doodle buns. And my doodle buns are big doodle buns. I'm gonna gamble. A Bard theme song. Woo! No. Gamble. Ooh, taco. Ooh, pizza. No, how dare you say loser I suck? Oh, Island Bart. I'm Bart Simpson. Domer. Eat my shorts. Eat my shorts. Oh my god. Do the ritual. Do the ritual. Am I eating it with my nose? What? What about this taco? I put it in my eye instead. You should really do that. Domer. I crumble. I'll just only do like 2 rounds. Eat my shorts. They bar baiting is insane. Hi! Okay, this is like More Bart. Wait, what? I thought it was Bart Simpson. Why is it Bat Simpson? So funny. Right? Damn it. Those are did not suck. Lizard, you suck. No! Like, is it... What claims do I have? I go wrong. Bird. I'm Millhouse. Wait, no, actually, I'm Homer. When I just burped, they just said Geiger. Eat my short. I'm gonna pretend I'm AFK and then kill everyone. Please stop running away. Yeah, this game is hard. I can't even kill like 5. Like you do know I'm faster. Alright, I'm done with it. How much minutes have I even been recording? Oh, 8 minutes. Alright. I'm sorry, but I guess that's... Let me see if there's any more games I could play. But for now, look, this is my username. So add me if you want to. And please make me famous, because I really need it. Just please! I need this. So this is my username right here. Well, hold up. I did it wrong. So hard. This is my username. This is my username. wibert D02. And this is like my other username. Go Joe, she got it. Right. So I guess that's it for today. Peace out, and I'm out.